Hello viewers, welcome to Saki's Intellect. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Today our topic is about the Li-Fi technology, which is nothing but light fidelity. Until now we only know about the Wi-Fi technology, that is nothing but wireless fidelity. So Li-Fi is a wireless technology which holds the key to solving challenges faced by 5G. Nowadays 5G is in use in many areas and which may cause harm to humans and many of creatures due to its high radio frequency. The main function of this Li-Fi technology is to transmit data via light. This Li-Fi technology was proposed by German scientist. His name is Harald Haas. And the Li-Fi can transmit at multiple gigabytes and it is more reliable, virtually interfere-free and uniquely more secure than radio technology, such as what we are using now is Wi-Fi and cellular technology. Li-Fi technology uses light rather than radio frequency to transmit data. Li-Fi is supported by global ecosystems of many companies, driving the adoption of Li-Fi, the next generation of wireless that is ready for seamless integration into 5G core. If we see the RF communication, it requires radio circuits, antennas, complex receivers, whereas Li-Fi is much simpler and uses direct modulation methods, similar to those used in low cost. It is devices such as remote units, LED light bulbs which have high intensities and it therefore can achieve very large data rates. Li-Fi is one of the future wireless communication technology. Come to the block diagram of Li-Fi technology. This Li-Fi system includes two parts, namely transmitter and receiver. The input signal at the transmitter section can be modulated with a specific time period and send the data through using LED bulbs in zeros and ones form, that is in binary form. At the receiver end, a photodiode is used to receive the LED flashes and strengthens the signal and gives the output. Come to the working of Li-Fi. How Li-Fi works? Li-Fi is a VLC, that is visible light communication system, and the speed of the system is very high. It uses normal LEDs to allow the data to transfer and increase the speed up to 224 gigabytes per second. The data transmission of this technology can be done via illumination. The essential devices of this system are the bright light emitting diode, the on or off activity of LEDs, which permits a type of data transmission in the form of binary codes, that is zeros and ones form, but human eye cannot recognize this. And this transform and the bulbs appear with a stable intensity. As we see the differences between Li-Fi and Wi-Fi technologies, come to the bandwidth expansion of Wi-Fi is limited and for Li-Fi it is exception. Come to the speed of Wi-Fi is 150 megabytes per second and for Li-Fi it is greater than 10 gigabytes per second. Come to the range of Wi-Fi is medium, for Li-Fi it is low. The power ability of Wi-Fi is low and high for Li-Fi. These are the differences between Li-Fi and Wi-Fi technologies. As we see the applications of Li-Fi technology, there are many applications. As we discuss some of them, the first one is smart home. Li-Fi will enable simple, secure, reliable and robust wireless communications, and it offers data aggregation and wireless offloading. Smart homes can be truly wireless. And next one is the enterprise wireless solutions, and Li-Fi network is daily work and conference streaming, remote desktops along with video conference of robust security. And next one is the virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR. Li-Fi offers faster speeds, lower latency and interference for wireless communication, which helps to overcome technology challenges, allowing VR and AR products to become wireless and reliable. And next one is secure communications. The inherent security advantage of using light for wireless communications. It allows companies to enhance their wireless networks significantly. And next one is autonomous transport. Due to high speed, low latency characteristics of this Li-Fi and the unique characteristics of nature of LEDs in our transport infrastructure. And there are many more applications relating to this Li-Fi in security and also etc. Come to the benefits of this Li-Fi technology. Li-Fi can overcome the challenges of RF. Come to the speed and bandwidth. Li-Fi can deliver multiple gigabyte speeds in mobile devices. This next generation technology will drive wireless beyond any current capability, opening up bandwidth. Come to the reliability. Li-Fi provides enhanced reliability, enabling interference free communication and 1000 times the data density, and dramatically improving the user experience. Come to the low latency, Li-Fi currently offers latency by a factor of 3 times, which is lower than the Wi-Fi and can radially enable innovation and automation. Come to the security point of view, light can be contained and secured in a physical space, so Li-Fi enables additional control and security. Come to the localization point of view, Li-Fi is fully networked and each Li-Fi enabled light has its unique IP address, so it is more unique. Localization, and it is more secure and localized as it contains a secured physical space. So for the conclusion, the Li-Fi technology is one of the future wireless communication technology, and at present also the concept of Li-Fi technology is attracting a lot of wireless internet users due to its genuine features and factors. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.